What is up, guys? GD Brave here, and today we are going to react to two songs. Today we are going to react Teminite and Skybreak's collab called Accelerate, and Spag, Heddy and Kompany's collab called Hammer Time. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first we are going to react to Teminite and Skybreak Accelerate. I think this is going to be melodic. I have never heard of the, what do you call that? I've never heard of the like snippets or something on Instagram. I have never seen those, so yeah, this is going to be new to me. So I am expecting that this should be melodic. So yeah, let's go.
Drivers, start your engines.
Okay. Whoa! Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, those are Teminite stabs. Okay. Okay, that was beautiful. Are so good. Oh God. Oh my God! Your synths are so good! Damn it! Oh! Oh! Okay, those stabs were cool. Hold on. Okay, I think Skybreak did that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo. Oh God, that's so Skybreak, yeah. Ooh. Bro, this is a tie, yeah. Oh my God. This was beautiful. It was actually beautiful. All the drops were cool. Yeah, this one 9.5. This is a 9.5 for sure. Jesus Christ! Those stabs at the second drop though. Yeah, I think Skybreak did that. I don't know. I think Teminite does I think Teminite does those stabs sometimes, but I don't know. Maybe I'm messing up with someone else, but yeah. I think this is cool. This is so cool. All right, let's move on to the next song, which is called Hammer Time by Spag, Heddy and Kompany. Well, you know my Brittum. So yeah, I am expecting Brittum. Spag, Heddy, which is an OG of dubstep. So yeah, let's go. Let's start. I love those. Hold on. Okay, I love those vocals. Hold on, I didn't take it. There we go.
Pack her up, boys! It's hammer time!
Ooh! That feel! Oh!
Stop facing!
Okay, oh!
Pack her up, boys!
Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. We're getting a second drop, okay? Ooh, take out. Oh! Okay, weird transition, but okay. I can accept that. But okay, pretty good.
Pack her up, boys!
Oh, we're getting faster? TNT switch?
It's hammer time!
Yep. Wow, this is I didn't know Kompany would make DNP, but okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna rate this a 9.5 too. Yeah. Both drops are good, and yeah, both drops are really good, and the excuse me about that. Yeah, both drops are good. Vocal samples are good, and yeah. These two are great songs, like actually. These two are great songs, not gonna lie. And yeah, that's it for today's video. We reacted to Spag, Heddy and Kompany, Hammer Time, and Teminite and Skybreak, Accelerate. So yeah, both songs are 9.5. Yeah, that's today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment down below if you want any more suggestions, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.